Hi, I'm Phil, and today we're going to look at the Wonder Kit for the microbit computer. And it comes from Elecfreaks. So let's have a look at the kit before we look at the projects that I've been working on. So the regular price is $183, and at a discount price, $136. I got it for much cheaper than that. So you need to check carefully the prices that you get from them. Used for STEM education, particularly for years 6, 7, and 8. Hardware-wise, um, you get all of these components. So it comes in a box like this, and you can see some of the projects there that you can construct. So the Lego components are used to make your models, and you get two DC motors. They're the blocks in red over here. You get one servo motor, and all the other parts, except for the microbit motor shield and servo shield, are all Lego components, Lego Technique components. And these are all the pieces that you get in the kit. So there are a couple of sensors, a water sensor and a sonar bit. There are caster wheels and bricks and some accessories to put it all together. So let's have a look at, you can use it with some extra components. So it'll work with a remote control. You might need to add additional servo blocks, and they're available. Or alternatively, you can get a catch like this, which is based on a servo. And I would recommend also some of these components to make your Lego construction much easier. And you can use it with an alternative controller. Okay, so let's have a look at the projects I've been working on. Software-wise, we'd use microbit, and we'd be looking at an extension called the Wacom extension that gives you motor and servo control, and you can also control the mecanum wheels. Okay, so here are the projects that I've been working on. The project that I'll look at here is the case number 3, which is the gyroscope base. Haven't been quite successful to get the pendulum project to work. And my next project after that will be getting the robot arm to work. And perhaps combining it with an AI or a smart camera. And that is another component from Elecfreaks. Okay, so we'll have a look at case number 3, and we'll just collapse everything so you can see the overall picture. Okay, so this is what the project looks like on my bench top. And basically, it's a DC motor feeding a gear train that increases the speed of rotation by about 25 times. And the idea is that you put the gyro wheel. So I've got one gyro wheel here that will go on top, and it will rotate. Okay, so we'll have a look at the objective. What we want to do is make a mechanical gyro powered by a DC motor, and that can be switched with a small computer called the microbit computer. And we have to make our own ball or our own gyro wheel. And I'm going to use the mecanum wheel that has a ball pin that fits on top. So you can see how it fits on top over here. Hardware-wise, we're going to use these components in the construction. And Instead of using the wheel that they've suggested, I'm going to use the mecanum wheel. This is the electrical connection, so it's connected to M1, motor 1. And construction-wise, the version supplied by Elecfreaks is right on top, and here is my version. We might actually walk through that software before we give you a demonstration. So here is the code for my software. Quite simple. I've got two extensions. We've got the Wacom extension for controlling the motor. We also have the neopixel, and we're just switching on the lights depending on the state of the motor. So we're setting up the neopixels, stopping the motor right at the beginning, and if we press button A, it will show on the neopixel strip red, and it will also show the light intensity on the other LEDs. Motor will be set to maximum speed. The opposite happens with button B. That is, we turn the color on the strip to green, and we stop the motor. Quite a simple program. So stay tuned, and we'll have a look at the gyro on the desktop in motion. This is the Wonder building kit using microbit from the Elecfreaks company in China. And we're going to look at case study number 3, which is a gyroscope base. And you can see it uses the microbit on the front with a shield that runs servos and electric motors. And the rest of it's Lego construction with a DC motor. So you can see the DC motor is feeding into a gear train, and right on top we've got the base for our gyroscope. And they give you full instructions, including some very simple software, to get this going. But you have to build your own gyro wheels. And here I've built two. This one here uses the mecanum wheel, and the other one uses a simple wheel. So we might start off with a simple wheel and demonstrate that. So to get it going, we need to turn it on. That'll turn on the motor. And we put the wheel base on here and try to make it stable and rotate. Not so easy. So we haven't got that one working. Let's try the other one. So we've got the mecanum wheel, we've got a ball pin, we've got it rotating. And it's processing. So here's our gyroscope. And if we try to move it, let's have a look. What happens when we move our gyroscope? We're moving the whole base. And you can see it still maintains the central position. And that's our gyroscope.